Good morning and welcome to Benn Lock and Safe in St David's Square, Peterborough, and just showing you some updates on what steps we're taking, precautionary steps and safety measures. So as you can see, we've got my colleague here, Martin. Good morning, Martin.
Good morning.
And what Martin's doing is volunteered kindly to disinfect the handles and doors and certain areas where we will be touching. And this helps reduce any sort of contamination. So what Martin's doing, he's doing all the areas outside at the moment. He does also the inside. It's not just Martin. What we can see is that we've got a sign here. So some of the steps that we've taken in place. This is a one-person rule in operation. This is excellent. What it does, it helps to give focus to customers, and it sort of controls the amount of people that are coming in. So I'm going to go inside and have a look. We do ask people to abide by the law as well and hopefully keep their facial masks on. So I'm just going to go inside, and you can see that we've placed some of these bollards to control the movement of areas for people, but there's enough room to see the variety of security products we've got. Now these products, even though they're on display, they've all been disinfected. If we were not to have taken these steps, you'll find various hands touching our products, maybe not purchase it. Some other hands will take the products, and it gets a bit more difficult. So we've just implemented these areas so you can see the products that you potentially would like or query about. And I'm going to walk over to the counter. So the counter, you can see that we've got large perspex windows both around the counter and also on the side. Now the reason why we've got these perspex areas on the side is sometimes it's not just a conversation that you might want from the actual countertop. You might have something that requires investigating. It might even be keys that you want cutting. So a little system for the keys that we've got in place is that you put your key in here, we'll get that washed, and then we'll transfer that over behind this screen, and then we'll go into the back where work will get done, your keys will get resolved. Now what I'm doing, I'm walking around. If there's any other products that you're sort of looking at, considering looking at the safe, you can almost pop in. Again, there are bollards here. We'll show you how the functionality of these safes are to assist you, give you advice. I'm going to come round to the other side and just walk around. Now this is not a public area, however there's something I wanted to show you, which is these cleaning. So this is a cleaning register for public areas, and it's showing you that daily we are ticking off all the areas that we've got as a checklist, logging these down, documenting these. Not only the public areas, we're also looking at the cleaning register for the counter and the machinery that we're using, as well as staff. So again, all the various aspects that require cleaning, and then they're getting signed by various people within the team, which are all competent staff. And you can see our machinery around here, and just fulfilling some requests from customers. So this is Benn Lock and Safe at 13 St David's Square. You can see Screwfix. We're literally opposite Screwfix. Please pop in if you need some advice, need any products. You can do this safely, and if you needed any advice over the phone, you can by all means contact us. You can hear the phone ringing right now. It could be one of our members of the team that you will speak to, whether it be CCTV, access control, home alarm systems, or even anything to do with lock, keys, windows. We specialise in these areas. Thank you very much. Speak soon. Bye bye.